Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. That's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be talking about is the Auto Trend Lines tool. Now this is fantastic for you to also be able to see break and retests in the market. And I'm sure a lot of people are going to be able to use this free indicator as a confluence tool when entering their trades. So don't forget, if you want to get into the one-time fee VIP group where I give out signal trades, this happens usually on a weekly basis or every other week. I will also be doing Zoom calls every single week as well on Sunday for market analysis for the trades going ahead. And there's an entry alert system in there that comes through on Telegram to help you gain entries into the trades. If you'd like to find out any information about that, all the links are below. And with all that being said, guys and girls, let's get straight into the video.
Starting from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so first what you want to do is add the Auto Trend Lines tool. To make it very quick and simple for you, this will be in the description of the video, and then you can add it to your favorites on TradingView. We just want to look for how we're going to be able to catch trade setups on a day-to-day basis. For us to be able to do this, I have explained in a previous video that market structure is a great way for you to be able to find trade setup. So what we're going to do is start on the 4-hour time frame and go down to the 15-minute time frame for entry, and we're just looking at major levels of where trend lines could be on the 4-hour chart. So I am looking at gold, and I will be going into an indice, and then I will go into a currency pair, which will be a major. How would you have been able to catch this sell setup on gold right now? I just want to go and draw my trend line over here, and as soon as I draw my trend line from here to here, which is just covering where the 4-hour automatic trend line actually is, and when I'm on the 15-minute time frame, we can already see what's happening here. So price action did break through this level before. We did get a possible retest here, but we could see, so this entry here, we might have lost this trade setup. That's okay, we're not trying to win everything. Then we had one more possible break here, but the market didn't really break this level. It closed above. Unlike this one, this was very clear. This one wasn't too clear, so you definitely wouldn't have been entering there. Now we've seen a clear break here in the market, and let me just zoom in, and you can see there was a retest to this area here. So when this candle closed, you would have more than likely got in on this candle over here, and now you would have been looking to take price action short. Your stop loss just needs to be above the trend line. You're not expecting price to go much further than that, and then your take profit can be on any of these levels here. Also, the trend lines are showing you where market structure is, so we can see there's more market structure down here, some more down here, and further, so we can see where all of our take profit levels are, because it's helping us to see where market structure is. Now another setup for us is how would we have been able to find this buy trade that did happen here. So we're going to do something very similar, and I'm just going to draw my trend line from here to here, and now you can see I'm on the 15-minute time frame over here. What we can see straight away is there was a breakout here, and you could have put your stop loss here, but you would have got stopped out of this trade. That's okay, because we're looking for our re-entry. So you would have got stopped out here, you would have got stopped out here as well. Reason being is because this happened, so you would have lost 2 trades, but then when this one came in here, of course you would have had a great entry for a trade. And let me just put that out here, so you would have been in like this. Stop loss could have been here, or it could have just been where this trend line is, either or, and you would have made this trade all the way up to here like this. So it's still a 4.2 trade, which was fantastic. Okay, just for a quick break, let me just go over what I'm actually doing for people now. So I'm actually helping traders to grow a small account into a bigger account. Therefore, we will be able to make up to $3,200 a month. Now the starting balance of this account was at 50 USD. So if the account has more money, then you have to add whatever my starting balance is on that week. Of course, I'll notify you when you're ready to join. To join this service, it is 50 Great British pounds a month at the moment, and that's to pay for your trade copy and slot, and then just a little bit of money for me to look for a trade on a day-to-day basis for you. So what we are looking to do here is to get up to trade number 4, and this is even more than 3,200 a month. This is the highest amount we can make on the growth pattern, and this is us having very good winning trades. More than likely, we will end up around these figures, which is less, but still very good money. When we go to here, we can see around trade number 4, we're on about $400. So I think personally, we will end up the month around $100 to $200 at the end of the 4-week run. Now, this isn't bad because you can pay for the monthly subscription and then we'll still have money to compound. The whole aim is for us to get this account to 250 starting balance. So when we have that same type of growth, we can see we're making anything between $1,000 and $4,000. Now, once we get the account to 500, you can see we have the same type of thing happening here. Now we can get anything between 2,000 and 8,000. And once the account is on 1,000, then we're going to be able to have anything between 4,000 and 16,000 a month. We'll be able to withdraw. I have no problem being able to do this when it's about 100% growth, because I'm able to do one of these levels a week about 75 to 80% of the time. I don't have an issue with that. So again, we can see just pattern, parcel, rinse and repeat, and grow the account. Okay, so we are on US 30, which is an indice, and it's the same type of thing that I've shown you here. So how would you have been able to catch some of these setups? So let's just see how we would have caught this recent buy going over here. So you can see I just put my trend line there, and when I'm on my 15-minute time frame, so we had a breakout here and we was waiting for a retest for a continuation, but we didn't see a retest. We saw just a break back in, so we would not have entered that trade. And now we can see another breakout here, but we're looking for a retest. There was no retest here. As we can see, it went back through the line, and then we did see this breakout here, and then look, when we saw this retest and this level, now we would have been going into our trade, and again our stop loss would have been below there. We can see there's a take profit level over here, and already we can see that's a 5R trade, which we would have managed to make. Now Euro USD, the same thing here. Let's see how we could have found an entry into this buy trade. And fantastic, you can see exactly what's happened here. So the market broke out of this level, gapped back through here, was waiting for a breakout again. We have seen a breakout here. We was waiting for a retest. You may have got in on this one here, and then you would have lost this trade as it went back down to here. Unless your stop loss was below this level, you would have lost that entry. That's okay, because we're still waiting for a breakout and a retest. Here you've seen the breakout, so you might have got in on this one here. As we can see, this is a bullish candle right here. Again, our stop losses would have been below this level if we got in on any of these candles here for price to go up. And then if you missed all of that and wanted a clear sign, you had one massive engulfing candle here to get in right in there for that trade and a long-term buy. And this was a 6.19 RR trade, so absolutely fantastic. So guys and girls, you can pretty much see how simple this system is. Like I said, it's just one indicator. Go to the 4 hour. It's all generic settings on the indicator as well. That's why I didn't even show the settings. All the settings are just a standard default, and then all you have to do is go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for your entry once you've drawn your trend line on the 4 hour chart. So I hope you like this video, guys and girls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.